Welcome to our 3D tutorial on custom views. When working with assemblies, simple rotating and zooming is usually not enough. To examine details, parts must be hidden, cut or exploded. Often it is necessary to switch several times between different detailed views. Custom views are a great help here. Once you have the details you need, save a custom view. You can always return to this view. You can save as many of these views as you like and switch to them again and again. In addition to the name you have assigned, a preview image helps when selecting the view. Custom views store the visibility and render mode of parts. The position and orientation of the cross-section plane, the position and orientation of exploded parts, the visibility of annotations and dimensions. Custom views do not save changes to the model as such. If you transform parts with the Move, Rotate, Scale and Mirror tools, then this will change all existing custom views with possible undesired consequences. This also applies if you delete parts or change their color. Create important and complex custom views when the model no longer is being changed. Custom views not only help to examine and measure the model. Custom views can be combined in images and printouts. and can be combined to simple animations. The Custom View editor helps you to manage your views. Here you can change names and the order of views or remove unwanted views. This creates presentations that you can browse through step by step. Or you can simply run the custom views as a slideshow. All custom views and also animations are saved in the 3D-Tool format and can be used as 3D-Tool Excel or with the 3D-Tool Viewer anywhere in the company. Now we are at the end of the 3D-Tool tutorial. Please take some time and give us your feedback. Thank you!